place cut machine, deer loop welding machine, forming machine and material rack and turn. First of all, let's install 3 main machines. There is 1 main bearing inside the 3 main machines to be connected. Connect it. Then fix the 3 main machines with screws. Finally, put down all supporting foot to fix the machine. There is label on cable. Find the same label, then connect it. Please make sure to label 1-to-1 correspondence. After the cables are connected, connect and fix the material rack and forming machine with screws by connecting rod. Install it with 4 screws shown in the video. Loosen the 4 screws. Take out the nose wire fixing box. Fix the nose wire round disc bracket with screws. Then fix the nose wire fixing box cover with screws.